Quality of workmanship, punctuality, being easy to get along with, referrals, keeping an eye on the volume of work and what it's costing to run each job, getting the staff around you that you can trust that do the right thing. Don't go overboard and buy all the latest fancy things until you can afford to go overboard and buy all the latest fancy things. So keep your cash flow up to scratch. They're the main things, and then employ a group of people around you like tradespeople, motivation people, education, management type training and that sort of stuff. So that's, you've got to have all that information and together, because a lot of people can tell you how to do things who really don't know what they're talking about. And there's a lot of people who know more about everything than you anyway. You just got to remember just to let it go through one ear and out the other.